Alright, welcome back to another video. First off, my apologies. I just woke up like 10 minutes ago. We're about to head out to a early morning cars and coffee, and I'm still extremely tired, so we are about to get this cold start and then get on the way. I feel bad for my neighbors. It's like 7:45 on a Saturday, but let's get this thing started. Not that bad. It's still a little warm from last night. Yeah, still 111 degrees oil temp, so still a little warm from last night, thankfully. But yeah, we're about to let this warm up and then we are going to get on the way. Coming this way too. All right, there we go. I don't know if he wants to get in front of me or what. Well, he knows how to get there. I had him up for what exit. No, he didn't.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That is crazy. Dude, it's been months since they let any Mustangs in here. That's crazy. No, like it's actually been like a full year.
Well, hopefully no one ruins it.
That's crazy. They never let Mustangs in. Oh my gosh. It was like Mustangs and I think Mopar. That's crazy. He didn't even try either. Oh my god. Alright, we made it in. Dude, I still can't believe we made it in here. Look at this guy. Is that ears? Oh my god. Oh my god. They were probably what the were they? Were they?
Looking confused.
Dude, they were probably what the fuck. Do they actually, there's two more, another Mustang? Do they let in a lot of Mustangs? Another Mustang. A clean GTR. The GTRs? You see, it's like every. Is this a full carbon bumper? I think this is a full carbon bumper, and they painted it. There you go, Michaela. Was there anything? I didn't even see any, like I didn't go up. This is probably it right here, huh? This thing is dumb clean. This thing is really clean. Those wheels are crazy. Look at that, another Mustang, old ass Supra. Is that RSQ8? I can't tell about the body styles. I think it is. It is an RSQ8. That's what he has. My buddy just bought one of these.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He just bought like a Nardo gray one. Dude, look how big these wheels are. Are these 22s?
They do look huge.
What are these? 22s? I can't even.
Yeah, 23.
23s?
That's huge, bro.
That is massive. Dude, my buddy literally just bought one of these things. Carbon on the grill. I love these.
Can you buy me one?
Yeah, I'm about to get a family one. Alright, let's skedaddle.
My armpits are sweaty.
Dude, holy shit, turn this up. I'm gonna just ruin it for all Mustangs again and just do a full-on dig out of here. Bro, there's usually like people lined, there's nobody. Fucking bicycle parade. Wait, no, left turn. Oh shit, did I go the wrong way? I did.
The next morning.
Alright, it is the next day. We're here with Marcus, about to go to another Cars and Coffee. The only reason, I usually don't go to the weekend ones, but the only reason I'm going to this is because my car is going to the shop on Wednesday. And so I think this is probably gonna be the last video I get up on the channel until the fuel system gets in and we do like the dyno, the street logs and all that shit. So gotta fill up on some fuel and then get on the way to this morning meet. And it has the same, I had that same exact brand on my Acura, the S Factor. Remember the front lip I had? That's the same brand.
What's sparkle? Can you see it?
Probably not. Yeah, it's black. This is just like my Acura. It looks black, but it's technically blue. That might be like my favorite car here now. G82. Shelby truck and it's signed. Ties here. I feel like we see that car all the time. It's cool. Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Stock motor, stock trans, twin turboed. What'd you say?
I said it's okay. It's just
No, I do it in the car too. I was doing it with Marcus. I was geeked.
you said it right too the first time.
Yeah, it's hot. It might be time to go in and get some food after this. Though, you know what I just realized that's kind of nice? No music.
Yeah, it's like seeing.
It's kind of nice. No copyright. This thing's clean. Holy shit. Fuck. Kind of want to do that with the Whipple. Cut a hole in the hood. Can't drive it really in the rain though then at all. I gotta send this to George. George's gonna love that thing. Wait, were you around? He had a, remember? Yeah, he had the purple one.
But today is Viper Day. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That's cool. That's cool, man. That is different. Yeah, we don't. We see them all.
I realized all the Vipers over here. There's so many Vipers. Dude, I know, I'm walking away from that. Look at this thing. I gotta show Brad that. Yeah, I don't mind that orange. But I don't really like colors on my car. Like, I've always had like neutral colored cars, all of them. You got forged carbon everywhere on that thing. Another Whipple S650. Wait, on the 375. It's clean though. Next day, we are back at the crib. I just kind of want to put this video out for you guys just because this is probably going to be, like I said earlier in the video, this is probably going to be the last video that goes up on the channel until the fuel system is in. I'm currently recording this outro on Monday. This thing goes in Wednesday night, so they'll work on it, you know, Thursday. Friday, I'll go in, record the dyno session, and then take it out, do some hopefully do some street logs. I'm hoping we have enough time, depending on if we do it in the morning or if we do it later at night. You know, it kind of depends on when Wengard's available for tuning and whatnot. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think this thing is going to dyno on full E. I'm thinking we're probably gonna see this weather maybe 950 in this weather. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. So if you guys are excited for the content in the future with the fuel system, hoping this car makes like another 30 horsepower on full E. We'll see what it does. But yeah, if you guys are excited for some hard pulls, some dyno hits, and some racing content coming up, because I do know the Saturday, so I get to my car Friday, that Saturday, literally the next day, they're going out to Buda for some runs again. So I think I'm gonna plan to go there and test the new setup out. So if you guys are all excited for that, make sure you leave a like and a sub. But with that being said, I will catch you guys all in the next one. Peace.